Hello everyone, Shane Victorine here. Super excited to participate in the Aloha Shoyu 75th Anniversary Poke Contest here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada at the Orleans Hotel. Get your tickets today.
Aloha Shoyu is celebrating its 75th anniversary with a poke contest and big party at the Orleans.
Yes, the poke contest is huge. I mean, we're very excited to have it at the Orleans. We'll have Shane Victorino, we'll have Mariota there, and a number of other celebrities.
Yeah. You guys have live music, you have food, you have different prizes. It's really a lot happening.
Yeah. I mean, it'll be a full day, 4 or 5 hours that people can enjoy, taste the food, the poke contest, and then we'll have Sam Choi up there. And
you're not going to want to miss this, guys. Yeah. Whether you're coming in, wherever you're coming from, Hawaii, across the country, you're going to want to make this a part of your trip. It's going to be huge.
You're watching Ninth Island Connection. Taste the flavors of Aloha.